So hi again. Let's start with the assignment now. So as I said, I was going for the medium questions, and the left one may give me easy, and the right one may give me hard. So this is what I want, medium. So given a string is find the first non-repeating character any 10. Okay. Also, just wanted to clarify. Sometimes I may even get three questions. So usually the distribution is first one would be easy, the second and third one would be mediums. So I think this should be easy. Let's try. First non-repeating character. Okay, that's fairly simple. Okay. Hmm. Find the first non-repeating character net and data index. Okay. Got it. So the approach is simple since we only have 26 letters possibly. Okay. Only lowercase English letters. So we only have 26 letters. We count all the letters that are present. We iterate from 0 to 26. We encounter count as 1. We return. If we do not encounter anything, we return minus 1. So this should be fairly simple to code. So and line is equal to rest of length int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus crick dot I, crick dot s of I minus of a plus plus for int I is equal to 0, I less than 26, I plus plus crick of I equal to 1, then return. Okay, we need indexes, right? So we also need vector in position. So this here will store our position dot of I minus a is equal to I. I think it should run. Okay, apparently not. So the value of L plus plus and the value. Okay. Hmm. Okay, got it. So that should do it. So yeah, so let me just explain what I did. So okay, let me just make sure what I did is correct, then I'll explain. Or maybe it should be the other way around, I guess. 0 to -1. Okay, anyways, okay, coming to that. So first I'll update all the counts, and then once I update all the counts, I'll reiterate. So this time when I encounter a character and sees its count as 1, then I'm sure that I am not going to encounter that character again on my right side. So I can safely return I, and if in case I don't encounter any such characters, I can always return -1. So that's done. Again, it's this is a classic. So yeah, let's try. Generally, what happens is you will implement the logic correctly, but most of the times you will miss these two trivial cases. So what I would like to do is just eliminate them at the start of the uh, solution itself. Okay. So now, given that I already did this many times, so I'll just skip over. So I'll just explain it roughly, not such clearly. So the basic idea is to have three kinds of variables, right? One is previous, one is current, another one is next. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to current dot next is equal to previous, right? So before current, you modify current dot next. Next is equal to current dot next. Okay, and then previous is equal to current, and then current is equal to next. So let's say we have 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so now 1 is pointing to 2 and 2 is pointing to 3 and 3 is pointing to 4, right? Okay, let's go one step further. So now let's just say 1 is the current, prev is equal to null initially, 1 current is equal to 1 and next is equal to 2. So next equal to 2 will be calculated from this step, and then current dot next is equal to prev. So 1 instead of here, what 1 does is 1 points to null, right? And then uh, previous becomes 1 and then current is equal to next. Okay, from here next becomes 3. All right, so then current dot next is equal to prev, right? So 2 dot next is equal to 1, right? And then next current will go to 3 and the next will go to 4, previous will become 2 and so on. So hope you got the rough idea. Let me just keep it here. So list node prev equal to null, list node cur is equal to head. So if someone's watching and they were not able to get this, just know key 90% of people won't get this on first time. That includes me as well. So what generally everyone does is like when the first time they encounter, they watch a video like this or they see the solution somehow, and what they would do is like whenever they encounter some other problem or some other sub problem where they need to reversal English, they just remember the logic, right? It's not that you have to come up with every logic by yourself. Yeah. But make sure that if you don't know something, at least you will learn it, at least in the future you should be able to do it. At least if you can make sure that, then that's enough, I guess. Current not equal to null, uh, in fact I can paste this as it is without any doubt. Okay, return forever. I think this should work. Let me just make sure it works. 5431. Okay. Mm, cool. Right, there is an integer array sorted in ascending order. Priority being positive function, possibly rotated to an unknown pivot. Okay, cool. Given array of integers after the possible return if it is in nums. Okay. Yeah, so this question also I've done previously. So I will directly go to the solution part. So the thing is like here we have two sorted arrays kind of thing. So this is a sorted array, this is a sorted array. You know, mostly you will have this or else you won't. So if you have this, you just have to binary search this, and then that's it. And if you don't have this, you have to binary search the entire thing. So it doesn't make a difference. So let me just write a binary search function first. Again, binary search is also similar to reversing a linked list. No one comes up with it at first. I mean, some people do, but at least not me. And you just have to mug up some things, you know, and able to identifying reversing a linked list or binary search as a sub problem itself is okay. So if you can do at least that, then mugging up the implementation is not bad. This is like my interpretation, of course, and uh, entirely not true, but yeah, you get the gist. So in target, okay, so int mid is equal to start plus end, so mid slash equal to 2. Okay, so primary question is if start greater than end, so return false. Okay, and then answer. Okay, why did I put answer? It's nums, right? Nums dot mid is equal to target, return true if nums dot mid greater than target. So we now have to reduce this one, right? Nums dot mid greater than target. So yeah, return click nums, so start comma mid minus 1 comma target. So this is cool, I guess. And then yeah, bool is okay. So int new start, find I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So what I would be checking is I would iterate through this array, and then if I encounter two numbers such that the first number is greater than the other, then we know for sure ki yeah, the array is being rotated, right? So if nums dot I greater than nums dot I plus 1 uh, is okay is if false, then new start is equal to I plus 1 break, right? If it's not okay, then we have to search for two uh, we have to search in two individual arrays. So we have to search left side and then right side. So because the thing why we are dividing it is binary search only works when the array is sorted, right? So you can't have half sorted arrays. So what we do is we search in sorted arrays, but we divide them up into two. So you get the idea, right? So the start is actually 0, and the new start minus 1 should be the ending of this one, and then the target, I guess. Or if it's not present in the first, it may be present in the second. New start minus 1, I don't know why I am writing plus 1. New start comma end comma target, yeah, that seems about right. Then return crick of nums comma 0 comma len minus 1 comma target, yeah, that seems about right. Cool, man. Okay, keep repeating the same mistake. I am forgetting to write the length, so hopefully now it's coming. And hmm, okay, so obviously we have been making some mistakes. So the thing is, I'm making more of a compilation mistakes actually. Okay, we need the index and not the integer, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, sure. So it's int now b minus 1 mid, sounds about right. This is max of, sorry, not reading the question is also a point, some is also my weakness. Now I need to change that. Okay, cool. I think we finished it before. Yeah, see, the thing, this will mess up my stats real bad. So hopefully we'll get around 40-50% this time, because we did it in this time. Oh, cool. That's more than what we expected, but yeah, we'll take that. So thanks for tuning in. That's it for this video.